unboxing the Nespresso. Let's see what it brings. My first time getting the Nespresso. So let's see. Instructions, warranty, just to put the coffee. Coffee samples. It tells you what they are here, and it brings these. These look so nice. They look fancy. They have, I'll show you a closer look after. Let me take this out of here. We have the water reservoir thing. Then you got the machine itself. And you got a quick start guide. Let me take this box out of it. So this is the canister where the pods will go in, I guess. You can empty it out later. You could set the water reservoir here. And you could set it to whatever side you want. Whatever, it's easy to put it back, left and right. So. And then this I guess you take this out. And then you can set the height on this depending on what you put it there. If you have just one mug, put it there. You know, you set the height yourself. Then it brings the quick start guide. It tells you how to use it for the first time and rinse it and stuff. So I'm definitely gonna do that. And then it says choose your coffee, brew your first coffee. It gives you $10 off so when you shop for more. And then let's take a closer look at this. So this is what it has. These are sample ones. Like that. All right, so I'm going to see if I can get this working and I'll be back. Okay, so I set up the machine. So it says we're following the directions. Rinse machine before first use. I already filled out the water tank, but I washed the container first with soap and water. Then I rinse obviously and I put it there. Now it says fill water tank. Press button to turn the machine on. I did that. Place large container under spout. I did that. Press the button 3 times to rinse system. Okay. I did that. I don't know what's happening. Guys, it's automatic. So go 1, 2, 3. Just to do that, see, I did everything. Rinse the machine, takes about 5 minutes. And then after this, we can brew your first coffee. Let's see how this goes. Okay, it's rinsing the machine. Let's give that some time. I'm thinking which coffee to do first. Which one do I want to do with that? Coffee, double espresso. I don't know. So that's done, I guess. I think I'm going to go with this one for the coffee. This one. Because it's just regular coffee. And it also tells you the sizes. See? Because you have smaller ones than the others. And this one is that's the rinsing. I might need on a container. So I'll be back when this is done rinsing. Okay, so we did the rinse machine before first use, and now it's time to brew your first coffee. I wanted to point that out that each pod has like cup size. That way, see, this is like a smaller one, and then this one says 390 ml, 13 fluoride ounces. And then this one is a bigger cup. So I just wanted to point that out, that it is different sizes. So make sure you have the right cup, because you don't want it to overboard or whatever. And some say for milk. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go double espresso. Yeah, I'm gonna go with double espresso. See, and it says for milk. So let's brew our first coffee. I guess you just put it in there. Push that down. And press. So. So excited. I've been wanting this coffee maker forever, so I'm using this so you guys can see how it comes out. Brewing our first coffee in our Nespresso. I've been wanting, like, I did a lot of research on this machine, and I found that this one was the best, in my opinion. I looked at the much smaller ones and stuff, and didn't have a lot of good reviews, so just wanted to use this so you guys can see. Since it's clear, I don't have a clear mug. And I'm gonna add milk and make it, and I'll be back with my done coffee. Oh wait, and I wanted to show you. See, throws it into the container. And let's just close it back up. So I added milk and sugar. This is my happy face. I added milk and sugar and salud. And let me tell you, it's worth every penny. Every penny. It's really, really good. Definitely invest. Go get it.